17 miles to go. Hell yeah. We're doing good, folks. We're doing good. Look at that view out there.